Question 1. Identify human actions in your surroundings that result in nature losing her ability to restore and regenerate. What types of interventions can be undertaken to restore nature's cycle? Answer. Identify human actions leading to nature's degradation. Several human activities can hinder nature's ability to restore and regenerate. Here are some common actions observed in various surroundings. 1. Deforestation. Cutting down trees for agriculture. Urban development or logging reduces forest cover, disrupting ecosystems and diminishing biodiversity. 2. Overexploitation of water resources. Excessive extraction of groundwater for irrigation and industrial use can deplete aquifers faster than they can replenish. 3. Pollution. Discharging industrial waste into rivers and lakes contaminates water bodies, harming aquatic life and disrupting natural cycles. 4. Soil degradation. The use of chemical fertilizer and pesticide can lead to soil erosion and loss of fertility, making it difficult for the land to support plant life. 5. Urbanization. Expanding cities often encroach on natural habitats, leading to habitat loss and fragmentation, which affects wildlife populations. Interventions to restore nature's cycle. To help restore nature's ability to regenerate, various interventions can be implemented. 1. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting trees in deforested areas helps restore ecosystems, improve air quality, and enhance biodiversity. 2. Sustainable water management. Implementing rainwater harvesting, building check dams, and promoting efficient irrigation techniques can help replenish groundwater levels. 3. Pollution control measures. Enforcing stricter regulations on industrial waste disposal and promoting waste treatment facilities can reduce pollution in water bodies. 4. Organic farming practices. Encouraging the use of organic fertilizer and sustainable farming techniques can improve soil health and reduce chemical runoff. 5. Community awareness programs. Educating communities about the importance of biodiversity and sustainable practices can foster a culture of environmental stewardship.